Do you want to know how to torture a narcissist? You want to know how to drive a psychopath absolutely insane without lifting a finger? Without screaming a word? And without playing their games? You simply have to become the most boring person on planet Earth. You need to understand the biology of a predator. A narcissist does not want love. They do not want happiness. They want fuel. In psychology, we call this narcissistic supply. To them, your emotions are food. If you scream at them, they eat. If you cry for them, they eat. If you beg them to stay, they feast. Positive or negative, it does not matter. As long as you are reacting to them, you are validating their existence. You're giving them power. So how do you starve a predator? Cut off the food supply. You stop being a person, and you become a rock. A gray, uninteresting, unmovable rock. Welcome to the gray rock method. This is the only psychological defense that works against a toxic personality. The goal is to make yourself so dull, so unresponsive, and so utterly useless to them that they get bored and leave you alone to find a new victim. Here is the protocol. Rule number 1. No J.A.D.E. You never justify. You never argue. You never defend. You never explain. When they accuse you of being crazy, you do not write a 5-page text explaining why you are sane. You simply say, okay. When they try to provoke a fight by insulting your family, you do not scream. You simply say, I hear you. You give them zero emotional data. You become a black hole where their energy goes to die. Rule number 2, monotone responses. When you speak, you strip all color from your voice. No anger, no sadness, just flat data. Yes, no, I don't know, maybe later. You are an NPC non-player character in their video game. They are trying to press your buttons to get a reaction, but the controller is unplugged. Rule number 3, the eye contact ban. The eyes are the window to the soul. If they look into your eyes and see fear, they win. If they see anger, they win. Do not look at them. Look at your phone. Look at the wall. Look at the bridge of their nose. Deny them the connection. But I have to warn you, when you start doing this, it will not get better immediately. It will get much, much worse. In psychology, this is called an extinction burst. Think of a toddler pressing a button on a vending machine. If the candy doesn't come out, does the toddler walk away? No. The toddler smashes the button. He kicks the machine. He screams. When you go gray rock, the narcissist will panic. Their food source is stopped. They will escalate. They will try harder to hurt you. They will say the most vile, cruel things imaginable, just to get one single tear out of you. You must hold the line. If you scream back just once, you have taught them that kicking the machine works. You must ride out the storm until they realize the machine is truly broken. What if they use silence against you? What if you aren't the one going gray rock, but they are giving you the silent treatment? This is their favorite form of punishment. They pretend you don't exist for days or weeks to make you feel like a ghost. Most people beg, please talk to me, I'm sorry, stop. Reframing is your weapon. Do not view the silent treatment as a punishment. View it as a vacation. They are giving you the gift of silence. They are giving you a break from their abuse. Enjoy it. Read a book. Go out with friends. Be happy. Nothing destroys a narcissist faster than realizing that their absence didn't kill you, it actually made you happier, however. When you successfully use gray rock, and when you stop reacting to the silent treatment, the narcissist faces a crisis. They realize they can no longer control you directly. But a narcissist cannot lose. They cannot allow you to walk away looking like the winner. So, if they can't control they will try to control how the world sees you. They will launch the final stage of the war, will recruit your friends, your family, and your coworkers to turn against you. They will burn your reputation to the ground. If you want to know how to survive the army of lies and how to deal with the flying monkeys, you need to understand the next tactic. Click the next video. The smear campaign has begun.